What is going on, guys? It's Lewis, aka Kumatana for my Giving Peoples, and I'm gonna show you reason number 2 why you can't have anything nice in the Bronx. That's a beautiful car. This side, okay. This side, look, ain't that a bitch? Look at this. Seems like somebody either, I think it was somebody parking or something, because look, it has some scratches here. How the hell you do this, bro? Look at that. Unless it was this when it broke. I hit it like that, but I don't know what the hell is that. Yeah, it's a car. That's paint from a car. So I'm guessing they was double parked and their spidey senses came in and broke my mirror. Yep. No note, no nothing. Just, you know, a pure courtesy of Bronx people. But good news, I think I can super glue that. Look, it stayed on. So it's not that bad of a rupture, however you say that. For now, it's staying on. Look at that. Fixed it myself. Cost me $0. Now I'm gonna go upstairs, come downstairs, and I'll put some crazy glue all over the place. See if it holds on. It should, because it's staying on without it. So with it, it should stay on. So as you can see, you have some scratches here. Yep. So I'm guessing there was double parking because of the alternate side thing right here. And then when they was pulling out, they just ripped the freaking mirror and decided to leave. But you know what? As they say out there, karma is a bitch. What you rip is what you sow. Some crap like that. So if you're watching this, dude, it will come back to you. So God bless. I'm blessed. Stay blessed up there, guys. Peace.